If you saw my speech yesterday, I did not condemn the script, and I did not say that the script should not be aired, and I didn't even say that it should not be performed. The way I supported performance of the music festivals in 2013 is the same way I support the script that was there yesterday. I never say the script should not be aired. We are not in the business of gagging people. As I said yesterday, we support freedom of speech. The same way, I went to school. I studied government inspector, Nikolai Gogol's book. I did Kisima cha Kiningi. I did, Ken Walibora's book again in Kiswahili. So this is not a new thing. We have gone through all these things for many years. So for someone to think that we are scared when criticism is leveled against the government, that's not true. What we are saying is that once you cross, just imagine, because I've seen a number of you very excited about this issue, and I find it very ridiculous. Just imagine today that every political leader, including the governor here, the senator, everybody, and uses our schools to run their political agenda for their clan, for their community, for their region, for their political party. How will our country look like? So that's all I said. Once you cross and you receive certain level of public notoriety, like the cases in the Nakuru issue, even if you write a script privately and you let it run, you leave school to do their things, and we continue doing our politics. That is all I said. But in terms of content, I am a full supporter of free speech. And free speech does not mean insults, does not mean ridicule, does not mean, all these kind of things. And I am confident, I am 100% confident that our teachers and our Ministry of Education has the capacity to regulate what is being aired and what's not being aired. Can I ask you, if today the script was coming to praise a conflict between one community to another, would you say freedom of speech should go on? Or it is promoting femicide, for example, glorifying crime? Nobody supports it, but the school has the capacity to do that. The problem is that we know in Kenya, funerals have become theaters of politics. We are working very hard to clean our funerals. You know what I did after Matungu? To bring order, because goons and whatever were being taken there. Even in our schools, we need to get politicians out of the school and the students, so that you don't have a situation where young kids are running around singing, we will vote for so-and-so, we don't want so-and-so. I don't think they have reached that level. But once they are past 18, once those kids are past 18, the law takes care of also differently. How we treat university students is different from how you treat children in elementary schools. And our education curriculum is able to deal with all those issues. So nobody should go around. I saw some people sharing what I tweeted in 2013. And remember, I was in government that time, in 2013. These people were in opposition. So it was not an issue. What I said then was that this script has received publicity, it can be discussed. This one also received publicity, but in the wrong way, by just broadcasting politics. But if it was just publicity about the evils or the challenges we have in our country, there will be no issue. I don't think William Ruto or any government official, President William Ruto or any government official is going to be threatened by a play. No, of course not, at all. I mean, I saw people saying, the government is threatened by what? I mean, we have faced so many other political issues. We have faced more serious security issues as a country to be threatened by a play by young people. The thing is, we are insisting, let the politicians give way and allow our children to criticize us. We have no problem. Allow them to also explore ways of communication that is going to help them grow to be responsible citizens. So we don't fear criticism.
The second question is, they are saying that the police from Nairobi are not
No. The IG has no is not here for those issues. And number two is that we don't discuss operational issues about where a police officer is deployed from. It's the same thing you heard me saying here, that a police officer should be able to serve everywhere in the country. Kenya is not an enclave where there is another territory or another. Police officer should serve everywhere. We should be asking ourselves, do they do the right thing? Not where they came from.
Swali lingine, tuko hapa kaunti ya Nairobi mara nyingi inakumbwa na migogoro ya kimipaka.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good question.
Nairobi peke yake.
Yeah.
Kumekuwa na mizozo ya kimipaka katika eneo la Nairobi na Kitui.
Yeah.
Nairobi, Garissa na hata kaunti zingine. Labda pengine kuna mikakati gani ya serikali ambayo itahakikisha kwamba masuala kama haya hata haya?
Hiyo ni swali nzuri sana. Tumekuwa na changamoto kubwa sana kwa mambo ya mipaka. Ukienda Lamu na Garissa, hiyo shida ni kubwa sana. Hapa Tana River na Garissa na Tana River na upande wa Kitui. Ukienda Kwale wako na shida ya mipaka na Taita Taveta. Ukifika Kilifi wako na Kwale. So Mombasa peke yake ndio sikusikia wakicomplain kwamba kwa sababu ya an island kwamba wamekuwa invaded. So coast yote ni kama kwamba tuko na shida ya boundaries, na I expect hiyo itakuwa across the country, na itabidi kwamba kuna katiba inaleta njia, kuna njia mwafaka wenye tunaweza kufikiana kwa mambo ya boundaries. Na ukiona hii boundaries yote ni competition ya resources. Sometimes hata kwa hizo boundaries kungekuwa na title ingemaliza hizo shida, lakini unaona competition zingine ni kwa sababu county governments would like to have control of their resources, ingine ni communities, this community against the other community. So I believe in our report eventually tutapeleka official paper kwa cabinet kusema kwamba mambo ya boundaries across the country ishughulikiwe kwa njia fulani, na mwishowe tuangalie sheria katika bunge kama kuna vile tutaweza fanya pamoja ndio isaidie katika mambo ya boundaries. Na ninasema hivyo kwa sababu nikiwa Senator Mutula Kilonzo alikuwa ameleta hoja na sheria ya kujaribu kuangalia county boundaries, na tukakuwa na challenge kidogo, hatukuweza kupitisha, na mimi nilikuwa supporter moja wa hiyo mambo ya kuangalia mambo ya boundaries. Lazima tujadiliane Council of Governors. After the cabinet finishes, we need to work also with the Council of Governors and work with the National Assembly and the Senate to see that we have a legal framework that can assist us. Yeah. Tumalizia hapo, si ndio? Asanteni sana.